हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो गाइस, तो आज आपके सामने मैं एक मीम टोकन लेकर आई हूँ जिसका आपको मैं मुकम्मल रिव्यू दूंगी कि आप कैसे इस टोकन को बाय कर सकते हैं या होल्ड कर सकते हैं और आप इससे फ्यूचर में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉफिट जो है हासिल कर सकते हैं। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द रिव्यू ऑफ दिस अमेजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, आई एम नॉट अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर। दिस वीडियो इज फॉर educational purpose only, and this is not my financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. So guys, it is a huge and bluish project and it is basically on Solana blockchain. So welcome to the book of billionaires community. So it's time to elevate your status. It's time for the wealth. And if you have missed the bomb, so now you have to buckle up because Bob is very VIP past the world where only the rich. And this isn't the faint of the violet. Here you have to laugh, to dream big, and to say no thanks to brokers. So here is the contract address of this amazing platform. So the elite club of memes is not just a token, it's your entry in the millionaire meme club. So you have to imagine the most exclusive party, but instead of the campaign. So ये campaign नहीं है, आप यहाँ पे एक मिलियनर मीम क्लब को जो है वो ज्वाइन करेंगे और यहाँ पर आप बहुत सारे ही लग्जरियस गिफ्ट देख सकते हैं और आप भी रिच हो सकते हैं इसमें ज्वाइन करने के बाद। सो आफ्टर दैट दिस इज द फीचर्स ऑफ द फाइनेंशियली एम्बिशियस के उसमें क्या क्या फीचर्स डेवलप हो सकती हैं फाइनेंशियली एम्बिशियस के बाद। सो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं इनके मिंट रिच मीम्स के बारे में जो कि सिर्फ ओनली फॉर द वेल्दीएस्ट के लिए एंड नो ब्रूकीज अलाउड टेक्नोमिक्स एंड जो कि टोकन इनकी सप्लाई है टोटल वो 100 मिलियन है बॉब की। एंड यहाँ पर आप लिक्विडिटी पूल देख सकते हैं जो कि 100% है और इसके अलावा आप यहाँ पर बॉब यूटिलिटी भी देख सकते हैं, इनका इकोसिस्टम भी देख सकते हैं कि जो इनके टोकन होल्डर्स हैं वो ना सिर्फ इस टोकन को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं बल्कि इसके जरिए वो पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट गवर्नेंस में, वोटिंग में। इसके अलावा वो रिवार्ड्स भी ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं और इसके अलावा दूसरी एक्टिविटीज भी वो दिखा सकते हैं और आफ्टर अर्निंग देयर रिवॉर्ड्स एंड दे विल बी सपोर्ट टू यूजर्स टेकिंग इन द फ्यूचर टू इंश्योर दैट यूजर्स रिसीव more token rewards and NFT, and we will support the creation of NFT which users can purchase and also can collect. So you have to must join this community, this amazing platform, and you have to invite your family and friends. You have to buy this Bob coin. So here you can see on Dex screener their graph will be bluish and it's completely bluish guys, and here you can see their price which is $0.1362 and you can easily buy this token. Here you can see their about liquidity also, and here you can see the total transactions and top holders which they have by the Bob coin. So you have to must join this amazing platform. And on coin market cap here you can see their graph is pumping, and here you can see the market cap which is $13.23 million, and you can also see 24 hours volume of the Bob coin. And here you can see it is also listed on CoinGecko, and here you can see their about graph and also their price and fully diluted valuation also, and here you can also see their 24 hours trading volume, total supply, and also about maximum supply of this Bob coin. So it is a good news, good things announcement for the Bob holders. It will be listed on Bitmart in future, and it is a good thing for the Bob holders. If you buy this, you will get a lot of profit money in future. So you have to must join this. After listing on the Bitmart, it will be listed on CEX after on MEX after listing on the Bitmart. And here you can see the after voting, it will be decided that both will be listed on the MEX, and their vote is 58% on Max. Here you can see. And guys, you have to must join their Telegram community. You can get all future updation about the Coin in this amazing platform. So you have to must join their community, and this is the official Twitter account of the Book of Wellness. So you have to must join their this army, and it is a Solana blockchain program, guys. You can see, and there is 100 million supply in Telegram. Here you can check, and guys, you have to join this, and you can get all upcoming news information about of Bob Coin on this platform. So this is the journey about of the Bob. See you next video. Thank